Hello everyone, welcome to Trending India Products. Today I'm gonna unbox Biking Brotherhood Ladakh riding jacket, guys, and which I bought it in Chennai offline store. Why? Because to check my exact size and all, I am little confused about size, so I bought it in offline store. This is actually Ladakh jacket and which costed me around 7,500 rupees. Okay, let's open this. They have given this cover to store. We can hang by using this. We can also carry like this. So let me open jacket. This is the jacket, guys. As you can see, Biking Brotherhood name mentioned over here. This is reflectors here, and this line also act as reflectors, and back will go little later. First we'll complete the front section. So we have got a zip here. I think it is completely waterproof, and detachable lining, polyester 600D. It has got level 2 armors, guys, on the elbows, shoulders. Both elbows and shoulder got level 2, and back also we've got level 2 armors. And this jacket doesn't come with chest guards, guys, but they have provided some chest slots. We have to buy it. And here tip is, if you buy jacket with chest guards, you will get the chest guard for 500 rupees. If you buy separately, you have to put 1000 rupees for that. So my suggestion would be buy with the jacket chest guards also, so that you get for 500 rupees. If you are a person who are looking to buy from BBG website, just contact them before buy. There may be chances that you get a discount for the chest guards. I saw in online there is no option to add the chest guards with jacket, so it's better to contact them. There may be chance, I don't know about that. And yeah, this side also we have pocket, same as here. And okay, here we have some shield type of protector, outside protector, and exactly inside of this there is a level 2 armor. So this is made of with steel and aluminum, they have said, with also some air vents here. And here, as you can see at the collar, they have provided some nice leather material, and it is completely breathable, guys. BBG Adventure has the zip facilities to open up to get more airflow, but this doesn't get the zips, but it is all breathable. As you can see, this and all mesh cloth, so that you will get airflow sufficient. Here they have provided some leather kind of a badge, not leather, it's kind of a rubbery material. Biking Brotherhood gears according to our hand size, 2 adjusters. And here, if you want some emergency notes, we can put like blood group names and all, whatever, however we can use it. Here we can also adjust, and also a zip for easily removal of jacket. On the other hand, there is no pocket like this, only one side they have provided. For easily folding hands, they have provided this kind of material here. With this we can easily fold our elbows without any trouble. So inside they have provided some winter liner here. If you go to some very cold temperature areas or places, we can use this one. And also it is removable, so they have provided some big pocket over here. This is for a mobile pocket or something else we can keep here. Okay, and here there is one more pocket which I show you later, and we can actually detach this layer, guys. I'll show you. Actually, for me, this winter liner is not necessary right now, because I'm not going for any cold places. So we can simply remove, I think, some here. As you can see, there is a button type lock, guys, for the winter liner. We have to remove this. Yep, now I think it will come out. Yes, so let me also remove that button here. This is the one, as you can see. Yep. Actually, by the way, I don't use this winter liner much, so that I'm removing and I'm not keeping it back. I'll secure it somewhere. This is the back protector, guys, level 2, and we can also easily remove and wash whatever. As you can see here, shoulder guard. As you can see here, they have provided this chest slot, guys. By using this, we can keep the chest guard over here, and same as here also. Actually, I thought of buying chest guards also, but they don't have stock with them. Once they get stock, I'll get delivered to my address with 500 rupees cost and extra delivery cost. As you can see here, the collar also they have provided with some soft material with the sponge inside, so that our neck doesn't get hurt in the long run. Also, they have provided zip attachment for the riding pants for better safety. Turn back the jacket, you can see the back view. As you can see, for this jacket we have got some HD foam material kind of stuff over here, which is also good for the back protection. Same, some foam kind of material over here for a better protection. And here they have provided water bladder pocket, and here they kept rail liner. This is not completely waterproof, guys, so we have to wear the rain jacket outside of this jacket. We can keep the water bladder over here, and the pipe we have to get through here. And then, as you can see here on the collar, they have given some this kind of thing, so through this we have to get the water pipe, and we have to leave it here so that we can drink. This is the best thing they have done, so that we don't need to purchase extra bag for the water bladder if we use. Right now I am not going to buy that water bladder. In future I will buy whenever I go for long trips. Right now I don't have really plans due to this pandemic and all. Okay, as you can see the back, this is the design, guys. And here, as you can see, they have provided Ladakh leather, not leather kind of material, it is a rubber material kind of thing, this jacket name. And here they have provided their branding, and this is the reflectors, guys. Also they have provided strap here, we can adjust the jacket according to our body size. I think, yeah, that's it, guys. Let me also wear and show you how it looks